Welcome back to Weight Ask channel. Have you heard about the advantages of drinking lemon water every day? Well, in this video, we'll teach you about an even better lemon water. Now, let's talk about the incredible health benefits of this supercharged lemon water. It's not just about hydration, it's about holistic well-being. The vitamin C in lemons boosts your skin's radiance, and the antioxidants fight off harmful free radicals. Plus, the mint and honey combination soothes your digestive system, leaving you feeling revitalized. The recipe for this special lemon water is simple. We're going to teach you how to make it step by step. Ideally, you should drink it in the morning before breakfast. Ingredients: fill pitcher with water, add lemon slices, add mint leaves, pinch of Himalayan salt, drizzle of honey, stir while. Next, put them boiling water for 3 minutes. Then remove the lemons from the pan and pour the liquid into a glass. Add honey and enjoy the delicious drink. What's left over you can store in a glass bottle in the refrigerator. You'll feel much healthier if you drink this lemon water either at room temperature or chilled every day. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will be deleted in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!